Today our maths class. Okay children, sit here. Already we will start time to book children. Chapter 1 in exercise 1.1. Okay, next Roman now we have. See, write in columns and subtract. What is the columns and what is the rows? You know children? What is the rows and what is the columns? Columns mean standing line position. Rows mean sleeping line position. Okay, here given the sums are rows. Sleeping line position children? Yes. So, first you write these numbers in standing line, column position. Understood? Columns means you write the numbers in standing line position. Okay? See. So, first number is what is this? 437 minus 105. This is the question. So, these numbers will write in standing line position. What is the first number? 437. You write that first number and this second number you write in second place. So, 105. 105. And mention the symbol minus also. And you write these numbers number down number. Understood? Number downs number, you write that numbers. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, down by down you write that numbers because the answer is also correct. Otherwise, answer is wrong. Okay? First, you complete the first ones place numbers. You complete first ones place subtraction. So, first number takes 7 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Close how many fingers? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 close. Remaining 1, 2 are there. So, write here 2. Next. So, ones place subtraction completed. Now, tens place. symbol, ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Okay, now ones place, take 9 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Close how many fingers? 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers close. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. So write here 5. Next, ones place completed. Now tens place. First number take 6 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers close. Remaining only 1 finger. So write here 1. Next, hundreds place. Take 1 finger. Close 1 finger. Any fingers are there? Remaining count? No. See our next one. 479 minus 243. So first number 479. Second number 243. 479. 243. So put the minus symbol. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So ones place first take the 9 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Close 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fingers. So write here 6. Next tens place first take 7 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Close 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close. Remaining 1, 2, 3. So write here 3. Next, ones completed, tens completed, now hundreds. Take first number 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close 2 fingers. 1, 2. Remaining 1, 2 fingers are there. So 236 is the answer. Okay, next one. 875 minus 632. Okay, first you write the first number 875. You write this distance 632. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and put the minus symbol also. So first number 875, second number 632, put the minus symbol. First you do the first ones place multiplication, ones place subtraction. Take 5 fingers, close 2 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, close 2. 1, 2, close 1, 2, 3, remaining is there. So remaining 3 right here. Next tens place, take first 7 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Close 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3, close. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers are there. So write here 4. Next hundreds place, take 8 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Close 6 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 close. Remaining 2 fingers. 1, 2 fingers. So write here 2. 243. Next, 949 minus 325 are the given sum. So first number 9, 4, 9. Second number 3, 2, 5. Put the minus symbol. You first ones place, tens place, hundreds place. First ones place you do the subtraction. Take 9 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Close 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 close. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers are there. So write here 4. Next tens place take 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close how many? 2. 1, 2 close. Remaining 1, 2 are there. So write here 2. Hundreds place take 9 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Close 3. 1, 2, 3. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 624 is the answer. So first you write these rows and the numbers. Write in columns. Columns means standing line position. Okay. After that you do the